Maria. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Brian.
Very good. How old are you, Ryan?
I'm 8 years old.
Great job. Okay. Listen carefully, Brian, okay? Look. This is a tent, okay? Where is the sun hut? Where is the sun hut?
East.
Where is the sun hut?
East part.
Where is the sun hut? It's here.
Here.
Very good. Where are the shoes? 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 There. Here.
They are here.
Very good. Now, look at this. Which is the kite? It's
Okay.
here. Okay, I'm putting the kite next to the old man. Put the kite on the tree. Where is the kite? On.
So
On.
on
The
kite.
on the tree. Next, which are the horses? There.
There are horses.
I put the horses between the old man and the girl. Very good. Where are the horses? There.
There are between horse,
Old man.
man, and girl.
Great job. Okay, next. Here, what is it?
It's a boat.
What is she doing?
She sailing a boat.
Very good. Now, what is she wearing?
She wearing a shirt and trouser.
Great job. Now, here, tell me about this boy. What is she doing?
Boy,
Sitting.
boy still
Sitting in front
out front
of the tent. Okay, what is he wearing?
He wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
She's wearing shirt
Shirt
and
and shorts.
shorts. Very good. Okay, now here. What is it?
Is a swing.
Very good. How many swing are there? How many? There is one
There is
swing.
one swing.
Very good. Okay. Now, what do you play in the park?
On a swing.
I play on the swing.
I play on a swing.
Very good. Okay. Now here, what is it?
It is a
Yeah. I mean, is it a cafe? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, it.
Yes, it is.
Very good. Okay. Next. Where is the girl? Where's the girl? In front. Is in front of the. Very good. What drink do you like at the cafe? I like.
I like news.
Very good. what is it? What is it?
It's a motorbike.
Very good. Do you go to school by motorbike? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Now, how do you travel in your time by bike? How do you travel? I travel.
I travel by motorbike.
Very good. Next, what is it?
It's a cake.
Do you eat cake every day? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes,
Yes, I do.
yes, I do.
Now, are you hungry now? Are you hungry? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's talk about yourself. Now, how many girls are there in your class? How many? There are
There are four.
4 girls.
Four.
Very good. What are you wearing today?
I'm wearing a t-shirt and shorts.
Very good. What do you do every day?